Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how make iced carbonated strong coffee, mandarin and orange. First thing you're gonna do is you put the ice cubes into the mug, and after that open up the bottle of mandarin orange sparkling water and you pour it halfway into this mug. And last but not least, you get the percolator and you pour in the strong coffee into this mug from this percolator. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated strong coffee, mandarin and orange. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.